This is my homemade barbecue sauce and it's diabetic friendly. Let me show you how it's made. And today's episode is being sponsored by the kind folks at Amco. So thank you so much for sponsoring today's episode. To start this recipe, in a saucepan, we're going to add all of our ingredients. So tomato sauce, tomato paste, and I cut the bottom of the can so I can squeeze it out really easily. In goes spices and salt and black pepper, honey. Now, in place of the honey and molasses, you can use whatever you're accustomed using in your diet if you're diabetic. Liquid Aminos from Bragg, French's Worcestershire sauce, Bragg apple cider vinegar, and French's Dijon mustard. Now, whatever I used here, and if you use something different in your diet, feel free to substitute so that it's diabetic friendly. Give this a mix and then place on your stove and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I would say go even 30 minutes, and you'll notice changing from that bright red color to a darker red color. You want to cook it down until it thickens. Taste and adjust the sauce according to your likeness, so sugar or salt or any other flavorings you would like to increase, you can do that. And then once it's to your liking, you can pour it out into a bottle and allow it to cool down and then refrigerate. And all you have to do is use it on your favorite meats. Now, how simple, easy, and delicious was this? Give it a try and let me know what you think. And be sure to pick up all of the products seen in today's video at your leading supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. Bye!